Welcome to our humble patch of earth, transformed today into a haven for some of nature's most industrious creatures, the pollinators. These tiny architects of life, from the busy bumblebees to the delicate butterflies, are essential to the vibrant tapestry of our world. Today, we'll discover how to attract these fascinating creatures, turning our gardens into a buzzing, fluttering paradise that benefits both nature and ourselves.
The first step in creating our pollinator paradise is setting the table, so to speak. Different pollinators have different tastes. Bees love blue and purple flowers. Butterflies prefer bright reds, yellows, and oranges. Hummingbirds are drawn to tubular flowers in red and pink. Native plants are best for your local ecosystem. Milkweed is vital for monarch butterflies. Choose plants that bloom throughout the seasons.
Providing a feast for pollinators is only part of the equation. We also need to create a comfortable and safe environment for them to thrive. Just as we seek shelter from the elements, so too do pollinators need protection from harsh weather and predators. A simple pile of leaves in a corner of your garden can provide a cozy winter refuge for butterflies and moths, while a clump of dense shrubs can offer shelter from strong winds and rain. Water is another essential element for a thriving pollinator habitat. A shallow dish filled with water and pebbles can serve as a welcome watering hole for bees and butterflies, allowing them to safely quench their thirst without the risk of drowning. Imagine a butterfly alighting on a pebble, its delicate proboscis dipping into the water, a moment of respite in its busy day. Consider adding a bee bath to your garden, a shallow dish filled with marbles and water. Bees, unlike many other insects, cannot swim. The marbles provide a safe platform for them to land and drink without the risk of falling in. Leaving a patch of bare ground in a sunny spot can be surprisingly beneficial for ground nesting bees, providing them with the perfect location to build their nests and raise their young. Remember, a diverse habitat attracts a diverse range of pollinators. A mix of flowering plants, trees, shrubs, and open spaces will create a vibrant ecosystem where pollinators can thrive.
As we strive to create a haven for our pollinators, we must also be mindful of the threats they face. Pesticides, while seemingly effective in controlling unwanted pests, can have devastating consequences for beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. These chemicals, often indiscriminate in their targets, can poison pollinators, disrupt their delicate life cycles, and even wipe out entire colonies. Fortunately, there are many natural and effective ways to manage pests in our gardens without resorting to harmful chemicals. Introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings can help control aphid populations, while companion planting, the practice of growing different plant species together for mutual benefit, can deter pests naturally. For instance, planting marigolds alongside your tomatoes can help repel whiteflies and other pests, while lavender, with its soothing aroma, can deter aphids and moths. Remember, a healthy garden is one in balance where pests and beneficial insects coexist in a delicate equilibrium. By embracing natural pest control methods, we can protect our pollinators and ensure a healthy and vibrant garden for all. Always read pesticide labels carefully and opt for products that are specifically targeted to the pest you're trying to control. Look for products that are labeled as safe for bees and other pollinators. Consider using integrated pest management techniques which combine various methods to control pests while minimizing the use of pesticides.
As we conclude our journey into the world of pollinators, let us remember that creating a garden that welcomes these vital creatures is not just an act of gardening, it's an act of conservation. By providing food, water, and shelter for pollinators, we play a crucial role in their survival, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the delicate dance of a butterfly or hear the contented hum of a bee. So let us all strive to create our own buzzing paradises, not just for the beauty they bring to our lives, but for the good of our planet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and share this information with your friends and family. Together, we can make a difference.